How to turn on 2FA on Binance Exchange. So first, what you need to do is open your Binance app and tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. This will take you into your account settings. From there, select the security option. On the security page, look for Authenticator app and tap on it. Then switch on the toggle to enable it. At this point, Binance will walk you through the setup. You'll be shown a 16-digit backup key. Make sure to write this key down and keep it stored somewhere offline and secure because it's the only way to recover your 2FA if your phone is ever lost or reset. Once you've safely stored the key, tap continue. Next, open your Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Tap the plus sign, choose enter a setup key, label it as Binance, and then paste in the 16-digit key you saved. Finally, return to your Binance app. To finish the setup, you'll need to enter two verification codes. The first is the code Binance sends to your email, and the second is the 6-digit code now showing in your Authenticator app. Enter both, tap submit, and you're done. Your Authenticator app is now connected, and your Binance account has a much stronger layer of protection.